Right, this is the bike repair stand that I got from Aldi. About £20, something like that. Maybe a little bit under. Last time I looked, they had a couple left. That's after about a month on sale. So I'm going to open it up and set it up. Right, unpacked it. Quite substantial. It's quite heavy. This is the main, I think, tripod part, the stand part. I'm guessing that's the crossbar. I've got to look at the instructions, but all the parts have been laid out here. And there's the user manual. There's some bolts and an Allen key all provided, so presumably you don't need any tools. So I'm going to have a look at the book and set it up. Okay, it's fairly straightforward to put together. The manual is not bad with illustrations and the parts all numbered and listed. And I noticed here there's also a torque level settings. If you're that way inclined, I've just put it together. The feet are adjustable and it just fits together like a tripod, really, a photography tripod. Nice little tray here for all your bits and pieces while you're working, and some nice gripped sort of twisted adjustment bolts and the clamp on the top. So this is all adjustable in height terms. And there is this, which is haven't quite worked out yet, which is a handlebar holder. I guess that's when you start setting different angles. So anyway, just I'll put the bike on it now. But it's fairly sturdy. It's definitely worth £20 from this point anyway. Okay, that's the bike on. First attempt, I just really clamped it what I thought was about the central point. It might not be right, but anyway, it's the first try. It seems fairly sturdy. This knob here clamps down and squeezes these two soft plastic rubberized clamps here on the crossbar. I guess it's depending on which way you have it on the bike, but I've yet to try it vertically. And this is the handlebar retainer I was talking about, and just loops over the handlebar here, and this is adjustable, so I guess depending on the angle. And this is sort of loose down here, but just stops the handlebars twisting. There's the tray I was talking about for your bits and pieces. Had to do these up really tight. I mean, they were good size, good grippable sort of twisting bolts, because there's quite a lot of weight on here and it started to slide down. So ideal for the for adjusting various elements on brakes, brakes or gears, and it's fairly substantial. It's pretty sturdy. Okay, there's a little bit of rocking, but I don't think that's bad. The feet are nice and wide. It's not going to go anywhere. Yeah, I think it's very good. Yeah, definitely worth £20. Okay, in the user manual it's got it into a vertical position, so I thought I'd give that a go. I didn't think it would be so straightforward, but it was. It went on really easily. So just unbolted the clamp here, opened that up, turned the bike round and then clamped it back in position. This is quite a tough clamp, it really holds it firmly. So again, and a slight adjustment on the handlebar retainer here. This is just to keep the handlebars in a sort of a position. I'm not sure if I've absolutely got that fitting correctly. However, it's nice to have. I guess if you're working on the tyres or the wheels, front wheel there, then the handlebars aren't going to turn around. Still, very good again, very good again. So that's the vertical position.